Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my turkey empanadas. Yep, turkey, really good lean meat, really nice and healthy for you. Right, fry pan, a little bit of oil, I'm just using a vegetable oil, put that in, get that nice and hot. No rocket science there. I'm going to add in 1 onion, finely diced, just like that. And we're going to cook these off until they start to go a little bit translucent, alright? Just like I'm doing right there. Now the next thing I'm also going to add in is around about 1 cup of mixed frozen vegetables. That's just carrots, corn, peas, and we're going to put that in right now while that onion starts to soften up a little bit. It's going to defrost and cook off those vegetables. 500 grams worth of ground turkey or turkey mince. Buy that from your local supermarket, not hard to do. I'm having more trouble getting it out of the packet than you will do actually purchasing that. Now break that up just using a wooden spoon like I'm doing right there, and we just want to get this all really nicely browned off. I'm going to add in some taco seasoning. You can buy it in a little packet, or you can do like I do and I make my own. If you're a subscriber to the channel, you will actually see how I make my own taco seasoning. I might make a special video on that. It's not hard to do. Right, give all that a bit of a stir through, just like that, and you can already smell the flavors happening. Add a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Look, add as much or little as you like. Right, turkey can absorb quite a lot of salt and quite a lot of pepper. Beautiful thing is it's such a neutral type flavor. I'm going to add in probably about 1.5 cloves worth of garlic paste that goes in, 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Yes, one of those little sachets. It works out more cost effective, believe me, if you buy those little sachets than it does to buy a whole jar. Right, just keep cooking all of that off. I'm not going to add any more liquid to that. We're not going to have a lot of liquid come out of that meat. It's actually going to be quite a dry mix. I'm going to come up with a nice way to add some juiciness to that, and that is we are going to use some shredded cheese. Use the cheese that you like. I'm just using a little Mexican blend that I'll buy from Costco. I'm not sponsored by them, of course, but I just love this blend. It's really creamy and it melts down beautifully. Alright, mix all of that through, just like I'm doing right there, and we can pretty much almost turn that heat off. No point, that cheese is going to keep melting. Here I've got some store-bought frozen puff pastry. I'm going to show you a really good tip in how to separate that pastry while it is still frozen. You slice your knife down through, give it a little twist, and it'll come out. Wait for that to defrost a little bit, and get yourself a couple of little bowls that will almost fill diagonally that piece of pastry. I'm going to cut some little rounds out like I'm doing right there, really easy, and cut 2 of those out. Now you can make them larger or smaller. I'm just trying to be a little bit more cost effective and have a little bit less waste. I'm not sure if I'm doing it the right way or the wrong way, but I'll let you work out which way you want to do it. Right, we can get rid of the rest of that pastry a little bit, very nice and carefully, just peel that away, and what we should end up with is 2 nice little circles of puff pastry. Alright, you can reuse that puff pastry a little bit later on, but that one was actually a little bit freezer burnt on the edges, so I'm just going to throw that away. Right, now we're going to add in some of our filling. We're going to fill up about 1/3 of our little pastry discs. Right, we don't want to go halfway, we'll never ever close them properly. Right, so just add your pastry or your turkey mixture into that pastry, just like I'm doing right there. I'm going to fold those over, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give those a good press down. Now I was thinking of doing a real fancy crimp, but yeah, my MS has been playing up a lot lately, so I'm not going to try and make my hands that dexterous. Okay, so I'm going to cheat. I'm just going to press that down like I'm doing there, and I'm going to show you a really cool technique in how to make that pastry join itself together and also add a nice decorative edge. Alright, so press all that down just like I'm doing there, and I'm just going to get the back of a fork and I'm just going to press down and smash that pastry lip together. Alright, so you just keep working your way around the edges, and 90% of the time it will work. I did end up getting a little bit of moisture and on the lip, so I had to go back and re-crimp it. Alright, so I've done that off camera and it did seal up and they are absolutely perfect. So just use the back of your fork like that and just smash that together and we'll end up with a really nice looking empanada. Keep going until you've used up your mixture. I'm just going to do half of that at the moment. Give that a brush with some egg wash, some beaten egg with a little bit of water or a little bit of milk. I'll leave which way you want to go, up to you. I'm giving that a sprinkle of some sea salt flakes, and it's going to give a beautiful colour, and when you eat into it, it's going to give that just nice little hint of saltiness to it. Alright, oven's at 180 degrees. They go in, and then when they look like this, you take them out. Doesn't take very long at all, about 20 minutes or so, maybe not even. Serve that up, and I like to serve that up with a bit of cream cheese personally. I'll leave that up to you how you want to serve it, but I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. Really easy, really quick to do. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it, and if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit leave a message or a comment, because I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn something or learn how to make something real nice, quick, easy, perfect for a Sunday afternoon, watching the football or the motor racing, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my turkey empanadas, and I will catch you next time. Bye.